So hi everyone, my name is Blessing and I'll be taking you through accounts. So our first video here will be on bank reconciliation. So what exactly is it? Bank reconciliation. So normally the when we are preparing the books of accounts, the cash book and the bank must agree at the end of the month. But due to some reasons, here we can find that the cash book and the bank are not agreeing. Yeah. So the bank reconciliation now is prepared to find out what the reasons why the balance sheet, the cash and bank balance are not agreeing. Yeah. So here you have to take note that not every transaction can be shown when it is not every transaction can be shown in the cash book, because some transaction, for example, we have dividends. Let's say we have, so let's say examples of transactions not shown in the, not shown one in the cash book. So we'll start looking about those transactions now which are not shown in the cash book but they are present in the bank. So the first one are the dividends. So dividends, these are shares you buy, now the profits you get at the end of the month. So this can be directed into your account. So when it is directed into your account, you might not notice that okay, dividends have entered the bank. So you can't record this transaction in your cash book. Therefore, the cash book will have differences. Then the second item is the credit transfer. You have credit and also debit transfer. So what do you mean when you say credit transfer? So credit transfer, this is the direct transfer into your bank account when you have borrowed money. So they will credit direct to your bank account. So meaning it won't show in the cash book because the cash book only deals with cash, or else this is a transfer. You have seen that. Also a debit transfer. A debit transfer is now you transferring some funds to someone. So even this one, because it's not involving cash, it won't show in the cash book. So you have to wait at the end of the month after you receive the bank statements to check now those transactions which were present on the bank statement but absent in the what, in the cash book. Yeah. So then we can also have those transaction which won't show in the what, on the bank statement. Yeah. So the first one is unpresented what, unpresented checks. So unpresented checks can not appear in the what, in the cash book, I mean on the bank statement. Why? These unpresented checks are simply checks which are drawn and they are entered in the what, cash book. You have drawn money for yourself from the business, so you have entered in the cash book, but in the bank it is not what, entered. You have seen that. So these are called unpresented checks. You have withdrawn from the business but does not shown in the bank statement. Then two, we have the Here you have to be careful. Uncredited, sorry, you have uncredited checks. So what are these uncredited checks? So uncredited checks, these are checks which you receive, but they have not what? Credited. Yeah, you can see here, uncredited. You have received the check, but they have not credited to your account. So when you're preparing the bank reconciliation, these uncredited checks, you have to less them from your money, because you have received the cash from the bank, but the bank has not deducted the amount from your account, which means they are uncredited. So you have to subtract them. Yeah. Then these unpresented checks, again, I've already talked about. You withdraw the money, but that's not shown in the in the bank. So you have to add it to the amount, because you left it. Yeah. So basically, these are the few things which you need to know about the bank reconciliation. Now we are going to look at one example and I'll show you how to solve it.